In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a minimalist workspace in Notion. Let's start by setting the tone for your entire setup with a clean dashboard. Create a new page to act as your home base and give it a simple, descriptive title. Keep the surface calm. A single sentence explaining the page's purpose, a few clear headings, and a divider or two is enough. Think of this page as a map, not a storage closet. Add only the sections you'll actually use daily, so your eyes know exactly where to land when you open Notion. Next, add simple pages for your core needs: tasks, notes, calendars, and goals. Each of these should be straightforward. For tasks, a lightweight database with just the essentials: task name, due date, and status keeps you moving. Notes can be a clean page or a simple database if you want to group by topic later. Your calendar can be a calendar view connected to your tasks or standalone for events and deadlines. For goals, a focused page where you define what matters this quarter is plenty. The key is to keep each page purposeful and easy to scan. Now, keep the look minimal. Choose one subtle accent color at most, or skip colors entirely. Icons are optional. If you use them, keep them consistent and understated. Avoid covers and busy images that crowd your view. Layouts should be simple, 2 columns at most, and only when they make reading faster. White space isn't empty. It's breathing room for your brain. As your content grows, organize related items with subpages and linked databases. Nest your tasks, notes, and goals under the dashboard so everything lives where you expect it. On the dashboard itself, add linked database views to show only what's relevant, like tasks due today or this week, so you always see the next right action without digging. Keep filters and sorts minimal and consistent across views. To reduce noise, hide unused properties in your databases. Open the Properties menu and toggle off anything you're not using right now. You can bring them back later if needed. Also, remove any unused widgets, embeds, or decorative sections. If it doesn't support the work, delete it. Your future self will thank you. Finally, review your workspace regularly. Once a week, scan your dashboard, archive what's done, and trim anything that crept in and doesn't serve your focus. A few minutes of cleanup keeps the system simple, fast, and distraction-free. The goal is a workspace that points you to action, not more organization.